In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a Pandadoc templates. To begin, open the document or template you want to design. You will do this inside the Pandadoc editor. If you are working from a dashboard or a list of files, simply click the document name to open it. Give it a moment to fully load so you can see the page layout and the editing tools clearly. Once your document is open, move your attention to the top navigation bar. This is where Pandadoc keeps the main editing controls. Look for the option labeled Format. In some versions, formatting tools may have appeared as a sidebar tab, but here you will access them from the top menu. Select Format to open the formatting dropdown. Next, from that dropdown, choose Theme. Theme settings control the overall look and feel of your document. This is useful because changes you make here apply consistently across the template, which helps your final document look clean and professional. Now you will decide whether to use a pre-designed theme or customize your own. If you want a fast and polished starting point, choose a pre-designed theme. Select the option to choose another theme, then browse through the Pandadoc theme gallery. As you review the options, focus on readability and how the colors and fonts match your brand style. When you find one you like, select it and click Apply. After applying, take a quick look through your pages to confirm headings, body text, and tables still look right. If you prefer more control, use the custom settings in the sidebar. Start with typography. Adjust the styles for headings and regular text so the document is easy to scan and consistent from section to section. Choose fonts and sizes that are clear on screen and in print. Then review table design, since tables often hold pricing, timelines, or product details. Make sure borders, shading, and text alignment are easy to read. Finally, check page background. Keep background subtle so your content stays the focus and avoid anything that reduces contrast. As you make changes, pause to review a few different pages, especially areas with headings, paragraphs, and tables, to ensure everything looks consistent. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.